Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a multi-tool attachment. Multi-tool attachment to bench grinder. Any bench grinder, 8-inch or 6-inch bench grinder, she will install on it. Very easy. And you see this built. See, I just grind this metal. It's very easy. I was cutting this metal. I cut this metal pieces for I want to do my track for my tank, RC tank, and I want to do it all of it with metal. And I'm tired just by angle grinder. Angle grinder need to hold it, and this is very thin metal, so we cannot hold this. I use this multi-tool attachment, and it's very nice. It's very easy. I like it. You must, before you work on it, you must wear gloves. You must have your mask, because the vapor, it's very harmful. You know, this small pieces of metal, they will get inside your nose. And this is 40 grit sandpaper, and this is 180, and this is the one I attach it. It's 80 grit. This is 3M BA2 80 grit. It's easy to just push it like this. After you push it, just take like that, and this is the belt. If you want to install it again, install it like this, and press here, and that's it. The most important thing, don't let this rubber showing here. Maybe you will hit it by the metal while you grind it, and you will damage the rubber. So there is attachment here. When I open the machine now, I run the machine. The attachment will guide. It's a guider to let this belt. It's very straight. This is the guider. Most important thing, don't do it with the hand. You must wear gloves, because if you do it without the gloves, the metal get too much hot. And you must wear gloves, and you wear face shield like this. And when you wear your gloves, I recommend you, because I have a new trick, because even you wear gloves, you will have, this will become too much hot. So I attach it like this. I attach by this pliers, and this pliers, I like it because I have a straight edges, not round edges, so he holds the metal very well. And I will show you now how it's work. It's very easy and nice, and after that you will go to the other side and you will sand it, and it's very nice. You can see now how many. I make too much from them. I don't know if you can see or not. With this metal, and this I sanded. It's very easy. It didn't take too much time, and thank you for watching.